In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay suppliers on 1688. We'll go from opening the app to completing a secure payment with practical tips along the way so you avoid common pitfalls and get your order processed smoothly. Start by opening the 1688 app and logging into your account. The default interface is in Chinese, so if you prefer, switch the language in your app settings or use your device's translation features to help with navigation. Make sure your account details, especially your receiver information, are up to date because the app will use them later at checkout. Next, choose a product that supports direct payment. Open the product listing and look for a clear price, the minimum order quantity, often labeled MOQ, and importantly, an active buy or xia dan button. If you see a prompt that says you must contact the supplier, it usually means the seller hasn't enabled direct checkout, and you may need to coordinate details with them before paying. Before you place any order, chat with the supplier to confirm everything. Ask about the exact product specifications, the final price at your quantity, the minimum order quantity, current stock, and shipping options. A simple message you can send is 可以直接在1688下单吗? Which means, can I place the order directly on 1688? Keep all confirmations in the chat so there's a record of agreements like price and color or size choices. When you're ready, set the quantity, color, and size on the product page and tap Buy Now or xia dan. Carefully review the order summary. Check that the unit price, total, and any domestic shipping fees match what you discussed. If anything looks off, pause and message the seller to adjust the order before proceeding. For the shipping address, you can enter your China warehouse or forwarder address, which is the most common route for international buyers, or use an international address if the seller supports direct export. Follow your forwarder's exact format, including any warehouse code or suite number, so your package is identified correctly on arrival. Choose your payment method. You'll typically see Alipay balance, an Alipay linked bank card, and sometimes a credit or debit card option depending on the seller. WeChat Pay is generally not supported on 1688. Ensure you have sufficient balance and be aware your bank may charge currency conversion fees if you're paying from a non-CNY account. Finally, review the total amount, authorize the payment in Alipay, and wait for the in-app confirmation. Once you see the success notice, your order is officially placed. You can track progress in your Orders tab and continue chatting with the supplier for updates on dispatch and shipping.